Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to introduce to you a very interesting website which is called Quizlet. Quizlet. So you go to www.quizlet.com and you can log in or sign up if you like. Then you go to search. We write here, for example, a lesson that you are interested in, you want to learn. I'm going to write house, for example. I can have a variety of lessons related to house in different languages. And you have a preview, okay, of the lesson. So I'm interested in this one. All right. So click on the lesson. By the way, you can create your own lessons or you can choose from the lessons that you have in the website. Now, you have here flashcards, learn, write, spell, test, match, gravity, etc. So let's start with flashcards. Here we have the name and you have the photo. You just need to click and you have a balcony. So you learn using photos, pictures. We have 37 pictures. This is basement, or the cellar in English. We have cellar or basement. So that's it. You don't know what is the basement, just click on it. So it's under the house, okay? The place, lakav. Bathroom. Bedroom. Downstairs. Garage or garage. Two pronunciations are possible. Garden. Lift. Yes, lift. Americans, they call it elevator. No, l'ascenseur. By the way, you need to learn the spelling because you are going to use it here. And you should know how to write it. Okay, so living room. Stairs. Anyway, you can move until the end. Now let's go to the section of learn. When you learn here, you need to select the correct one. So this is number one. We have first floor because you have choices between, you need to choose between living room, bathroom, dining room. So I'm going to select the first floor because we know this is the ground floor, the first floor, second floor, third floor. Okay, so and you have it correct. Two. Yes. We have now it's let's say we have in front of, next, between, and behind. Next to. What's this? Bedroom, lift, floor, or door. So when testing, thanks to the way they test you, you learn from it. So it's correct. This is dining room, downstairs, living room, or second floor. It's dining room, the place where we eat. Now, okay, we go to other section. Now, right. Now, which floor is this? So you write second floor. And you see answer. It's correct. So in writing, you need to write what you see. Okay, until you finish the section. Now 3% finished. I'm not going to finish. I just want to show you how to use the website. Spell. Now it's simple. Type what you hear. You have here spelling.
Door.
Door. So this is a door. So you need to write it. This is simple. All right, and you click enter. Enter. So it's correct.
In front of.
In front of. All right, in front of. In front of. Click enter. That's correct.
Second floor.
second floor, etc. Test. Yes, what's this? Now you write questions. This is the basement, all right? Remember, this is between. Okay, the ball is between the trainers. All right? Until you finish the section, balcony, dining room, living room, etc. Here you just need to write to match the questions to the answers. For example, where is the toilet here? That's E, so you write it E. All right. This is garden, for example, it's B. Yes, A is the kitchen. All right, until you finish. This is the lift, C. And the last one is window, D. Okay, so this is just to show you how we can use this website, which is really interesting. Match now, play. We learn through games. Yes, here we have the language, which is not the same as the ones we have. Normally we have hangers. I'm going to choose the ones that are clear. So garden. All right, under. Hanger, so this is the hanger. Sink. Floor. Next to. Good. And you compare yourself to other people who have played the game. You can play other games here. Gravity.